Both the 60cm 10 function and 90cm ovens now feature a dynamic rotisserie. Cook a Sunday roast for friends or family with the help of the clever rotisserie, which rotates meat slowly, helping to keep your roast moist. Once your roast has finished cooking, why not use the food probe to accurately check the internal temperature so you know that it is cooked to your liking. Enjoy healthier cooking with the rotisserie, rotating your roast while self-basting so juices circulate evenly and fat can drip away. It is so simple to set up. No preheating is required and you cook with the door closed. You simply unscrew the hooks, put the spit into the protein, fix the meat with the hooks, tighten the screws, insert the spit into the motor hole at the rear of the oven, demount the handle, and away you go.